AMSOIL 100% synthetic high-mileage motor oil engineered for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. With rapidly rising new vehicle pricing and the high cost of repairs, drivers are keeping their vehicles on the road longer than ever. Preventive maintenance that includes high-quality lubricants is key for keeping vehicles safe and dependable for the long haul. AMSOIL 100% synthetic high-mileage motor oil is designed specifically for the unique demands of high-mileage engines, helping extend the life of your vehicle. It delivers purpose-built protection at a time in your vehicle's life where it could benefit from more robust maintenance. It cleans and protects engines with boosted detergency and an additive package that fights oil breakdown and oil leaks. Engine cleanliness. Deposits reduce engine performance and efficiency. AMSOIL 100% synthetic high-mileage motor oil provides enhanced detergency to breathe new life into dirty engines by removing deposit buildup to help restore peak performance. Durable viscosity. Engines can lose compression as cylinders and piston rings wear, leading to reduced horsepower. Maintaining a consistent fluid film helps counteract compression loss by sealing combustion chambers to maintain performance. AMSOIL 100% synthetic high-mileage motor oil is formulated to maintain viscosity, even in extreme temperatures. Its highly durable viscosity provides the proper film thickness, even during extreme operation. Oil consumption control. Oil consumption is often an issue in high-mileage vehicles. AMSOIL 100% synthetic high-mileage motor oil is thermally stable across a wide range of temperatures, resisting volatility and consumption. Leak protection. Oil leaks are an inconvenience and if left unchecked can lead to lack of lubrication and engine failure. AMSOIL 100% synthetic high-mileage motor oil provides a boosted dose of seal conditioners to restore aging seals and help stop leaks. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL 100% synthetic high-mileage motor oil today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.